Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about keywords and questions answers of chapter 13, that is fun with magnets. इस वीडियो में मैं क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को समझ पाए और उसके आंसर्स को सही तरीके से लिख पाए। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं कीवर्ड से। So first keyword is compass. A compass is an instrument used for navigation and orientation that shows direction relative to the geographic cardinal directions. Next keyword is magnet. A magnet is a material or object that produces a magnetic field. Next keyword is magnetite. Magnetite is a rock mineral and one of the main iron ores with the chemical formula Fe3O4. Next keyword is North Pole. The north pole of the magnetic needle will be attracted to the south pole of the bar magnet. Next and last keyword is south pole. The south pole of the magnetic needle will be attracted to the north pole of the bar magnet. Now questions answers. First question, fill in the blanks in the following. First, fill in the blank. Artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as dash, dash and dash. Answer will be bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, horseshoe magnet. Next, fill in the blank. The materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called dash. Answer will be magnetic material. Next, fill in the blank. Paper is not a dash material. Answer will be magnetic. Next, fill in the blank. In olden days, sailors used to find direction by suspending a piece of dash. Answer will be natural magnet. Next, fill in the blank. A magnet always has dash poles. Answer will be 2. Next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. First statement. A cylindrical magnet has only one pole. This statement is false. Next statement. Artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. This statement is false. Next statement. Similar poles of a magnet repel each other. This statement is true. Next statement, maximum iron fillings stick in the middle of a bar magnet when it is bowed near them. This statement is false. Next statement, bar magnets always point towards north-south direction. This statement is true. Next statement, a compass can be used to find east-west direction at any place. This statement is true. Next statement, rubber is a magnetic material. This statement is false. Now question number 3. It was observed that a pencil sharpener gets attracted by both the poles of a magnet, although its body is made of plastic. Name a material that might have been seen used to make some part of it. क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि यह देखा गया कि एक पेंसिल शार्पनर एक मैग्नेट के दोनों पोल से अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, हालांकि इसका बॉडी प्लास्टिक से बना होता है। ऐसी मटेरियल का नाम बताइए जिसका यूज इसका कुछ पार्ट बनाने में किया गया। सो आंसर, there is a blade in a pencil sharpener which is made up of iron. Iron is a magnetic material, that is why it is attracted by both the pole of a magnet. Next question, column 1 shows different positions in which one pole of a magnet is placed near that of the other. Column 2 indicates the resulting action between them for each situation. Fill in the blanks. इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि कॉलम 1 में डिफरेंट पोजीशंस दिखाया गया है जिसमें मैग्नेट के एक पोल को दूसरे के पास रखा जाता है। कॉलम 2 में हर एक सिचुएशंस के लिए उसके बीच रिजल्टिंग एक्शन को इंडिकेट करता है। जहां जहां फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है उसे फिल करें। तो कॉलम 1 में यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है, यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है। कॉलम 2 में यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है जहां इन दोनों के एक्शन को लिखना है। फिर यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है जिसमें इन दोनों के एक्शन को लिखना है। So answer, in column 1 we can write here south pole and here again south pole, and in column 2 we can write here repulsion and here attraction. Next question, write any two properties of a magnet. It means कि magnet के किसी दो properties को लिखो. So answer, first property, a freely suspended magnet always align in north-south direction. Second property, opposite poles of two magnets attract each other, whereas similar poles repel one another. Next question, where are poles of a bar magnet located? It means bar magnet का pole कहाँ होता है? Answer, poles of a bar magnet is located at both the ends of the bar magnet. This is the figure of bar magnet, and this is north pole and this is south pole. Okay. Next question. A bar magnet has no markings to indicate its poles. How would you find out near which end is its north pole located? क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि एक बार मैग्नेट के पास पोल्स को दिखाने का कोई मार्किंग्स नहीं है, आप कैसे बता पाएंगे कि इसका नॉर्थ पोल किस एंड पर है? Answer. A freely suspended bar magnet always points in the north-south direction. So, location of the poles of a magnet can be determined by suspending it freely. The end that points towards the north direction is the north pole of the magnet, while the end that points towards the south direction is the south pole of the magnet. Next question. You are given an iron strip. How will you make it into a magnet? क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि आपको एक आयरन स्ट्रिप दिया गया है, आप इससे मैग्नेट कैसे बनाएंगे? आंसर. फर्स्ट स्टेप, टेक अ गिवन एन आयरन स्ट्रिप, प्लेस इट ऑन द टेबल. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, नाउ टेक अ बार मैग्नेट एंड प्लेस one of its pole near one edge of the iron strip. Next step, without lifting the bar magnet, move it along the length of the iron strip till you reach the other end. Next step, lift the magnet and bring the pole to the same point of the iron strip from which you began. Next step, move the magnet again along the iron strip in the same direction as you did before. Repeat this process about 30 to 40 times. Next step, bring a pin or some iron fillings near the iron strip. It will behave as a magnet to check whether it has become a magnet. Next question, how is a compass used to find directions? इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि डायरेक्शंस को पता करने के लिए कंपास का किस तरह से यूज किया जाता है? सो आंसर, अ कंपास हैज अ मैग्नेटिक नीडल दैट कैन रोटेट फ्रीली. द अर्थ इटसेल्फ हैज अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड व्हिच इज सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ अ बार मैग्नेट. When a compass is kept at a place, the magnetic needle aligns in north-south direction. Now next question, question number 10. This is the last question. A magnet was brought from different directions towards a toy boat that has been floating in water in a tub. Effect observed in each case is stated in column 1. Possible regions for the observed effects are mentioned in column 2. Match the statements given in column 1 with those in column 2. इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि एक मैग्नेट को एक टॉय बोट के डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस में ले जाया गया जो पानी में तैर रही थी. कॉलम 1 में उसका अफेक्ट्स लिखा हुआ है और कॉलम 2 में उसका रीजन्स लिखा हुआ है. दोनों कॉलम को मैच करें. सो आंसर, इन कॉलम 1, फर्स्ट अफेक्ट इज बोट गेट्स अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द मैग्नेट. रीजन विल बी बोट इज मेड अप ऑफ मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. नेक्स्ट अफेक्ट, बोट इज नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय द मैग्नेट. Reason will be boat is made up of non-magnetic material. Next effect, boat moves towards the magnet when the north pole of the magnet is bowed near its head. Reason will be boat is fitted with a magnet with the south pole towards its head. Next effect, boat moves away from the magnet when the north pole is bowed near its head. Reason will be boat has a small magnet fixed along its length. Next effect, boat floats without changing its direction. Reason will be boat is fitted with a magnet with the south pole towards its head. That's it. वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.